Hi friends, in today's short analysis video we're going to discuss about HD stock, and the full form is Home Depot stock. And friends, if you would have noticed, this stock was under correction since from March 2014, and stock has spent almost 7 months under corrections. That means more than half a year the stock was under corrections, and currently the stock has given multiple positive breakouts from the current price, due to which this stock is ready to give upside move of 20% from the current price. And friends, I would like to draw your attentions. This was a top where the correction started, and there was a downward sloping parallel channel. And as far as this stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock was under price wise correction, and it got corrected deeply on the downside, and there was a back to back lower lows on the stock. If you would see, the first lower lows was over here, the second lower lows hit over here, and the third lower lows over here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broke out on the higher side, you would have noticed first time the lower lows has been shifted to higher highs. And this is what we take this as an correct, as an confirmation signal. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready to move on the upside. And this is what we got it over here. The lower lows has been shifted to higher highs. Here we got two positive signal. The first positive signal was the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the higher side, and second positive signal is lower lows has been shifted to higher highs. And here we will discuss the third positive signal, that will be the positive diversion. Friends, if you would notice over here, if I'll place an RSI, relative strength index, you would see there is a diversion between the price actions lower lows and the RSI lower lows. If you see the last lower lows of the correction pattern, it was on the downside, and same if you notice on the RSI, it was tilted on the upside. And this is what here we got the breakout. So this positive diversion, which is a third signal, it will going to give the upside momentum pump on the stock. And finally we will discuss about the chart pattern, the fourth positive signal, that is a chart patterns. If you could see over here, this there is a rounding bottom has been broken out. This is, if you see here, there is a clear rounding bottom, and here this is a rounding positive pattern, and it's got broken out with the neckline of 397. And friends, this inside range of this rounding bottom is approximately 20%. So after the breakout of this neckline, once it starts the upside momentum, the stock is ready to give you the upside momentum of 20%. And friends, if you want to put a stop loss, you can put it a stop loss over here, which will be 380 on a closing basis, on a daily close. If the stock touch 380 and it's get bounced back and it's good and it's give closing about 380, then don't treat that as a stop loss. Stop loss will always be calculated on closing basis. If you get a daily close below 380, then you take that as an stop loss trigger, and your target will be now from this level, it will be 480 rupees, $480. $480 will be your target. And if you calculate your risk to reward ratio, then my friends, your risk area will be this much and your reward will be this much. It's almost 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1.5, which is a quite good bet to take, friends. And friends, I want to notify, this is a very important area, the neckline. The stock got broken out, the stock has broken out above the neckline, and this neckline, which was earlier the strong resistance, it has turned up now and strong support, because there are multiple positive factors broken out on this neckline. In this neckline we had seen The downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the higher side. Here we had seen the lower lows has been shifted to higher highs. Here we got it a positive clear divergence through RSI, and here we got a positive chart pattern rounding bottom. So this area was before the strong resistance, has now become a strong support, and your stop loss should be below this stop loss. Your stop loss should be below this strong support so that it won't get trigger easily. And by any chance, if your stop loss got trigger on closing basis, then you have to immediately wind up your trade. And friends, this was my analysis. And if you like my analysis, please give thumbs up to my video and subscribe my channel. I will continue bring you all good patterns which will make you earn a good handsome money. Thank you.